Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Last we left off in Oblivion, we just cleared an Oblivion gate. We cleared a first mine. I think now is the time we get back to potentially doing some other stuff here. What do we got for quest? Ectoplasm. I still need ectoplasm for the fighter's guild stuff, which I have not gotten all of. I think I need 5 and I only got 4. I think we're gonna go out and leave Shaden Hall here. We're gonna go this way. I'm gonna go see what's off in this direction. Hopefully something good. We see a set of buildings over there and our little compass thingy. And we can actually see them over here, that's fine. But I'm not looking for those per se. I'm looking for caves and things of that nature. Let's see. Oh, we got a shrine over here, maybe. And join the Knights of the Nine? No, I mean, we could. We so easily could. Alright. Okay. Okay, we've gone to Akashash. Now another thing we could do, we could say screw the 9 and go join the Dark Brotherhood, but I'm thinking I want to do that after I do all the 9 stuff, you know? And when I do the 9 stuff, I think I'm gonna do it, like, incrementally, you know? Like, I'm not gonna do it all right away. I think I want to get it done as I see fit. As far as the pilgrimage goes, at least. Hello, Wolf Broski. Alrighty. Oh, I guess I gotta level up. That's cool. I guess I'll go level up right now then. Let's head back into... Wait, no. Just because I don't want to have to fast travel again later. Or I don't have to walk out here again later. Turn this. Oh, we got a crab rescue over here. Hello, crab. Die, crab. You have nothing of use. And then we'll head back into Shaden Hall. And we'll see about whether or not I need to rebuy that bed. Alright. Oh, now up and to the left.
Huh?
Oh, no. I did not want to
Can I help you today, friend?
try and pick that. Thankfully, it's not a crime to try and pick things. It's a crime once you actually make the... No, I'll take it.
What?
What I was trying to say, it's a crime
Take care.
once you actually make the attempt, but just opening the menu doesn't do anything, thank God. Unlike for, what was it? Stealing from people's pockets game. I'm thinking we want some endurance, well not some endurance, some willpower. I guess strength, yeah, strength. Willy poor, endurance, and strong. There we go. Alright. And then we can just fast travel over to this. Fine. Head inside. Okay. Now, which direction do I go? I'm gonna go this way. We'll see what we find down in here. I'm gonna say let's go ahead and use our 5. can. Oh, I cannot. I've already used this once today. Okay, then. I'll take all of those. I guess we'll open this. It is just easy, so... shouldn't be too hard, assuming I'm not stupid. Come on, game. Come on, game. What the hell? Thank you. Boots, I guess I'll take them, even though I already have dwarven boots. Game. I guess I'll take these stones while I'm at it. Oh, this leads into alien ruins, okay. Cool beans.
Tidy. What
Hello.
do you want?
Rumors.
Orcs don't.
Okay then. I don't know what you're here for, but cool beans. I guess we'll take... say it was illegal to do this, so I would do it. Come on, game. Just gonna auto this. There we go. Take your gold. Okay. I'm gonna try and go the other way and see what that way has for me. First of all. Backtracking. It's not too much backtracking. I'm also assuming I can go the other way. Again, I have no idea what this entire freaking thing has entailed for me here. Some more stones, that's cool. Okay, so back here is just absolutely nothing. Okay. Just some stones. Alright. Do I need to repair anything? Might as well check. I guess I'll repair it. Cool beans. Let's continue forward then, shall we? We move rather fast for somebody who's in heavy armor, guys. I imagine we move even faster once we take this stuff off. Ladies. Cannot be picked, needs a key. Well, I don't have a key. Do you have a key?
How goes it?
I'll assume I'm not supposed to be here yet. I guess fate have it that I'm not supposed to be here. This is probably for some sort of quest that I'm too stupid for. Well, that was a waste of time. And when did this get here? Well, I guess we're going through another Oblivion gate, guys, because I cannot turn these things down. I mean, I could, but I'm not going to, because that would be stupid of me. Alright. Take out the flame astronaut here. Come on. You should be dead. Thank you. Thank you for dying for me. Alright. The game tells me to save often. I don't think the game really understands how good I am at this game. Only reason I would have to save often is because, not because the planes are dangerous, but more because, game crashes are dangerous. Get real, game. Like, be honest with yourself. You know that this game is not that hard. Unless you set it to a really hard difficulty. Which I do not, because I'm not a fucking masochist. I mean, I kinda am, but... you know what I mean. I'm a masochist up until, like, a certain point. Alright. You've had nothing, that's fine and dandy. But yeah, there's pretty much just a certain point of masochism where it becomes utterly nonsense to even fucking continue to worry about. So used to having a freaking Claymore now that I don't have the reach. I don't have the same reach that I did with the Claymore. Bad. And of course, oh, okay, so that's just full of lava there. Okay, that's fine. Appears to be too damaged to use any further. Yeah. You see the lava pit down there? I'm sure that's helping. Just bone. Yeah, what's up here? You? Just you? Cool beans. Missed me by a hair. Alright. Take you out. Swing swung my balloon sword around here, because that's literally how combat feels in this game. I'm sure I've said it many a time. Alright. Take this because it's free healing. Okay. And we'll just head down. Back down to where we came from. Ouch. Alright. And we'll go ahead and hit up this doucher over here. What's going on? You wanna shove fire in my face? Well, too bad. Heavy armor skilling, please hell yeah. Reflect all of the damage. Haha. Okay, so we got an Oblivion cave here. Oblivion cave. Oblivion cave. That is me pronouncing things incorrectly. Okay, point of no return. And back after this. Hello. Come here, booty hole. Alrighty. No, this is why I like playing games with combat. Sometimes, you know, you gotta have that balance of, like, combat video games, not combat video games. Otherwise, you're just gonna get bored with yourself, man. Okay. Now I have better helmet than Stele helmet. I guess I just said Stele. Come here. Come here, Flame Achinake. Alright. Swing swung the swing song sword. Here we go. Give me your first salt. First saltates. First saltates. For stale taste. First style taste. I don't know. Kind of incorrectly pronounced salt here. Not working out too well for me. I'll have to make some repairs here in a second. Ouch. Unlock much game. Holy Jesus, are you gonna continue stunlocking me? Dude, thank you. Oh my god. I'm gonna equip our fasty heal, bro. And then our better heal, bro. Not better heal, but our basic heal. Basic bitch heals. Pretty much. Yeah, shut up. Make sure we got everything okay. Leave no stone unturned, guys. Also, what a shit quest. If you know what that quest is, I swear, I feel sorry for you. It would have been better if they had quest markers, but no. Garam didn't want to have quest markers for that quest. God forbid you have quest markers for the one quest in the game where you have to figure out where literally 24 items are at once. I just said I was gonna repair things and I lied to you guys. I'm gonna repair things now, see? I make good on my words sometimes. Alright. You know that there's a line from one of my favorite songs that I just absolutely cannot ignore. Yeah, it goes, I'm not gonna sing the actual tune, but the line pretty much says, what was it? I cannot disappoint if you don't rely on me. Some shit like that. If you don't rely on me, I will never disappoint you, or some shit like that. Something around there. I forgot the exact line. But it's honestly so true, like, just don't rely on me, I'll absolutely never fucking disappoint you, like, just expect me to be me, you know? Don't rely on me to be anything else but me. If you're trying to rely on me to not be me, then you're gonna get burned real quick. Trees, I already have those, but cool beans. That's from where I came from, okay. Put this away. Do all this. Heal ourselves up a wee bit here. And exit the cave. And immediately question our entire surroundings here. Okay, we got plans for around here. Okay, miss me with that shit. Alright. Okay. And you're dead. Cool beans. Let's see, is there anything else I really want to do around here? You know what? Screw it. We're not screwing around here. We're just gonna do a quick clear. Or as quick of a clear that we can have here. Okay. Alright. Swing Swong the Balloon Sword. Kill the flame action. Oh hey, it's like a full-grown flame fear for once. Jesus Christ. Stun lock much, dude? Stun lock much, dude? Alright. We'll grab our better heal pros here. Restoration skill increase, cool beans. Alright. I'm gonna grab our basic bitch healy broski. And our basic bitch absorb health broski. Just cause we can. I need to get a better absorb health broski. But that'll be for another time. And I accidentally used the wrong spell here. Yeah. Big holes. I wonder who else is seeing me. Okay, we'll grab this gold. And holy shit. Yeah, I think I take. Yeah, I think I use it like immediately. I'm sorry, shield broski, but you get put away for the glass broski. Holy shit, that is 14 damage. 100% worth there, bro. 100% worth. Never turn down something like this. Never. Alright, I wonder who's trying to come after me. Oh, jeez. I don't know if you can hear what's going on outside of my room, but, Yeah, it sounds like the doggo just made a child sad. Oh jeez. This is not good. Let's see, do I have anything that can heal me? Not really, it's not looking like it. Oh, we have weak healing potions, that's fine. Okay. Oh jeez, these guys are the same duder. Same looking doucher, I should say. We'll equip our 6 here. Heal ourselves up a wee bit. Stupid. Oh, this is normal weapons on self for 13 points. Cool. Stupid mace. Danger heart. Okay. I wonder if this game has any weird drawbacks for shiz. Now I'm gonna go ahead and repair stuff here. Armor skill increase, good. Let's just take a look at what we need. Oh, where's our armor at? It's almost at 50, so we'll get to journeyman pretty soon here, actually. Alright. And this way was pretty much exactly the same, yeah. Alright. Okay, so it doesn't matter which way we went here. We'll end up facing the same old enemies. So glad I have another Claymore, though. Unfortunately, it's at the cost of the fact that I can't use another shield. Let's see. Get out of here, then. Alright. Oh, you wanna know what's cool about the Knights of the Lion set? It's kind of broken. Yeah, it's pretty broken. It's a pretty broken set. No, hit me. You missed me with your destruction shit. I don't know why I went into third person there, but okay again. Alright. And that seems kind of bullshit down there. I'll see what's down here, if anything. Huh? Well, I'm an astronaut game. Haha. So glad I found this. Like, oh my god. Just look at it, the detail on this thing. I know I was gushing over the detail on the frickin' silver swords, which, you know, the silver swords still have more detail than this does, but oh my god, it still looks amazing, you know? You can't deny that. Alright, hello, run. Bye-bye, run. Oh, glitched through the wall a wee bit there. Have fun. Go either direction. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. You can also go through here. What's through here, actually? Follow Sapphire, nice. Okay. We're gonna go up here. And then we are gonna equip our 66 point. Alright. Let's see, what kind of rain spell did you hit on me? Rain of Hells, okay, that's fine. Now, was that like an enchantment on your sword? Because if it was, your sword's gone now. Okay. Well, I guess let's go see what's on the other side. Athletic skill increased. Cool beans. Speaking of things, repair stuff again. See how much farther that brought us with our armor skill. Okay, so it seems like one or two more repair sessions and we should be good for level 50. Hello, Plan Fear. You're not even a runt, that's good. I wanna take your shit. Alright. Okay, it seems to be the same all around here. I'm gonna go deal with this broski over here, though. Haha. Oh, hello, broski. Willpower is being drained. Well, good thing I don't care about that. This is launch this stupid shit. Burden of arrogance. You're, like, useless to me. I hate to say it, but it kinda is useless to me. Alright. Let's go through. We got, like, one more level here to go through, and then we should be good at clearing this. Over and cover. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, now I just got... I'm forced to stay here because of you. Fuck you. Alright. Oh, I'm kind of stuck here. I'm sorry, guys. I did not want to grab that. That's just gonna make my situation worse. There we go. Thank you. What are we really at? 224. 324, rather. Hello, boys. And draining my intelligence? Oh, okay. Let's see. Penance of Pride. Just the regular Grimoire mates, okay. Could have sworn I saw something get launched all the way over here, but... Oh, it was this shield, okay. That makes sense. Great. And you know how I said, like, one more repair session, one or two more repair sessions? Let's see. Okay. Let's see, yeah, one more repair session. Oh, okay. So after we do this. More than likely. Is that clean for your clear for one? I can't tell. It's the run. Haha. The reach this thing has, oh my god. And you're gonna give me... Okay. Haha. I have the superior weaponry here. Your weaponry is useless. Hit me again. Okay. I'm gonna just equip this guy here. Used it a couple of times. Any other douches up here? Not really? Okay. Fine by me. Let's see, can we repair things real quick before we get into battle here? We cannot, can we? Oh, it sounds like it's possibly too late. Alright. Let's just hope we don't run into a Cineball here. That would kinda suck for right now. We don't... exactly have the best of gear right now, because we only have, like... We have mostly starter gear still, technically, because I count steel as, like, starter gear. Now we have a clan here, right here. And a frost astronaut. Okay, cool beans. Alright. Ouch. Equip our 6 broski. Switch to our 2s. Swing swung this sword around. And hopefully it can get a kill. Okay. Frost sauce, cool bean. No. Silence poison, okay. Heal ourselves up a wee bit here and there. The children, cool beans. Grab this. Alrighty. And we'll grab our sigil stone here. Ascendant sigil stone, nice. Nice. While that's going on, we're gonna repair things. Oh, nice. The long days and nights at the forge make you strong and tough. You are now a journeyman armor. Using repair hammers, you can now fully repair magic weapons and armor. Cool beans. I can actually put something on you. Fortify fatigue, I think we'll add. We'll add the orcish helmet here, and we'll call this Nido Clump. There we go. Nido Clump Shaft. Where'd it go? There it is. And look at that, we also leveled up. Okay, now we can go and over to Shaden Hall. And we'll see if I really need to rebuy the bed. I'm gonna assume we don't right now. We do not. I'm gonna sleep for 10 hours. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, that was a fun time. I'm glad I did that. I'm super glad I did that. I got myself a glass Claymore. I usually don't make it this far in this game. Okay, as usual, Endurance. Ronce. I'm thinking agility. Agility. I don't know. And of course, Strongs. Okay.
How can I help you today, friend?
I don't know.
Hello there.
Man, I'm loving this game so far. I hope y'all are loving this game so far. I hope y'all are loving the build.
Good day.
Hello.
Armor, weapons, I have it all.
Let me just
May I
check and
help
see
you?
if you have anything I want or need. You do not. That is fine. I'll buy some repair hammers off you, I guess, and I'll sell to you like the rest of my unneeded, unwanted gear.
You drive a hard bargain.
Dwarven longsword, yeah, sure. And then
A
I would
pleasure.
enchant the glass sword, but I'm thinking we
You
use
too.
something first. I'm thinking before we do that, we should probably go get a much better enchantment that we can apply on it rather than a weak sauce fire enchantment. Alrighty. Let's see how much. There. Okay, we're holding about 296 pounds worth of stuff. Let's see. Okay, we got like 9 fire salt cool beans, crap ton of Deja hearts, I guess, I don't know. How much gold do we have again? 1300. I guess we could buy a horse. I wanna buy a horse.
I own the black...
Yeah, I wanna buy a horse.
The black horses of...
Okay.
You
do that.
won't regret it. Go out to the corral. Nivrina will have your new black horse saddled.
Okay.
Your horse has been saddled.
Okay. My black horse, okay. Oh boy, the controls on this feel a bit weird and a bit off, but that's okay. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine for now, I guess. We'll get off her for a second, or him, I don't know who he is.
If you want to buy a...
Actually, I was thinking about putting some
Insignia.
armor on the horse because I do have the horse armor blueprint thingy.
I own...
I guess we can't do that. Okay. I don't know how to put armor on the horse, but that's fine and dandy. And I guess we'll grab you. I wish they would let me name you, but I guess not. Alright. We're gonna head this way. At least for a little bit. Go see if we can discover some. Hmm? You better not be hitting my horse. Get out of here. Think you can just come up here and attack me? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Why are you shooting my horse for? That's what I thought. Take your stupid silver dagger. And I'll take your stupid lockpick. Alright. It's farther this way. Hello, friend.
You have my ear, citizen.
There is a Minotaur. Okay, we're gonna go fight that. Hello, Minotaur. Ow. I'm gonna take your horn. Alrighty. There is an animal out there that I want to kill. Let's go kill it. It looks like it's a mountain lion. Is it a mountain lion? Who knows? We'll find out. It's a mountain lion. Come here. Hit me. Ow. Does that unlock much? Did that unlock much? Jesus. Alright. Like there was potentially another one somewhere. Almost delayed sound game. Alright. I don't know why I used that. Good job, me. That was a complete waste of a day. Alrighty. I guess we'll hop on our horse here. Or we won't even hop on our horse. We'll head back to Shaded Hall. We'll TP back there because I don't feel like freaking walking all the way back there. And we'll sell some of our other things. Yeah, I forgot to sell over here. Hello.
A pleasure to speak.
Pleasure's all mine,
What
my
can I
lady.
interest you in?
It's more like what can I interest you in? I don't need this. Let's see. Weapons, I don't need this bow. I said I don't need this bow. I need arrows, I don't need this. I don't need this. I guess I'll keep that. I don't really do a whole lot of drinking, so you can have that. You can have that.
You got a great deal there.
I don't really care about that. I don't care about being invincible. I don't really care about Night Eye. Water breathing will be useful later. Also, you'll see why. I'm not keen on potions, so I guess I'll sell potions. Or not potions, poisons.
A fine transaction.
Again, I don't use.
You drive a hard bar.
I don't really use any of these, to be honest with you.
That's a good deal.
Let's see. And for your claws here, take them all. Take all of these, why don't you? Dangerous teeth, take that. Take the fire salts, I don't care.
An excellent bargain.
Take the frost salts, yes. Take my minotaur horn. Get rid of these. And get rid of all these scrolls here. Need them.
You've got a great.
Get rid of this. Alrighty. And so this.
You've made.
And this.
You've made a good.
And this silk pass.
A good
and
price.
this wolf pelt. Okay.
Thank.
No, thank you.
Take care.
Anyway, guys, I think that's gonna do it for this episode. Hope you all enjoyed. As always, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video.